Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm showing you how to cut back for winter the majority of your perennials. As you can see here, these are being cut back. I like to leave about between 2 and 4 inches off the ground. These are my aquilegias. You can just pull the old stems off those. These are my lilies. What I'll do with these is show you I've got my little snips here, which I love. So all you need to do with these is get your snips. Sorry about this, folks. I'm trying to hold it between 2 and 4 inches. Yeah, this is my black-eyed Susan as well. This one I've just pruned back. As you can see, the nice flower heads there. I'm going to cut it back, prune it right back to 15, I should say, perennial between 2 and 4 inches. As you can see there, that's the spot on that. I shall then go about weed and get rid of all that moss around there. As we go down a little bit further, as you can see, everything needs cutting back there, which I will do. As we go further round, these all need pruning back. This is my penstemons. This is a perennial one. Penstemons can be a little bit tricky. I've got the hybrids that I grew from seed last year. They are all, well, most of them are in the greenhouse, but this one I'm going to leave probably 12 inches on this, because then if you get any hard frost or anything, there's a good chance of it surviving. You can allow it then to grow back, and allow then quite a lot to die back. It's at 12 inches off the ground. If you prune them back too much, you're going to lose them, especially if you have a hard frost. This carnation here is a hybrid that I grew from seed. This one I'll be digging up and putting into the greenhouse. I'll then prune it back. I might even take some cuttings from this one. As we go around a little bit further, as you can see here, that's some foxgloves. They do not need pruning back. Foxgloves. In the spring, if you want to, I can dig it up early spring before they really get growing and move it to where I want a nice flower position. They grow one year and flower the next. I really enjoy foxgloves. They attract so many bees and butterflies and insects. And my aquilegias down here. So let's say about this fruit. My aquilegias fruit. As you can see here, you've got a lot of new growth on these aquilegias. So all you need to do with these aquilegias is just pull all the dead growth up this time of year. Really easy to do. It should just come off really easily in your hands, and you're left with just a new growth. Put in my compost. So yeah, that's my aquilegias. If you go on a little bit further, that's about it. So yeah, that's just how to prune back some of your perennials for the winter. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.